Congratulations. Work so hard to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate.
Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to be doing a loc restoration. As you can see, my client is in desperate need of a loc restoration. A person could run into needing this type of service for a number of reasons. Causes can be medication, age, poor loc maintenance, access to hairstylists that can help with loc maintenance, and neglect. I won't get into the reasons why my client needs this service today, but just know that there are a number of reasons why someone would need this type of service. And just be respectful and try to not judge a person based on the condition of their hair. We all go through things in life that we may not quite understand, but you could find yourself in that position someday. You just never know. Here I have taken the time to cut the locks out of my client's hair. You want to leave about 2 inches of new growth free so you can reattach the locks properly. Our next step is detangling. What you need is a sharp pick. Personally, I just broke the end off of a foiling comb, and that's what I use as a pick to pick through the knots that are tangled in your client's hair. And pretty much that's what a loc is. It's just shedded, matted hair, and you just want to section by section detangle and get a comb that has nice wide teeth but sharp bristles so that you can comb and detangle the sections. Once you've properly detangled your client's hair, you're going to find that there is a lot of dandruff and buildup, and that buildup is mostly just product and dandruff. I get that question so many times about what is the white stuff that you see, and honestly it's just buildup, dandruff, and products that didn't get washed out properly. It's nothing to be afraid of. You can use gloves if you like, but it's really harmless. So pretty much you're going to use a clarifying shampoo to get a deep clean and do a deep conditioning treatment to put moisture back into the hair. And again, I feel like I must give the definition of a dreadlock. A dreadlock is shedded, matted hair, and oftentimes dreadlocks can act as filters. So with that being said, we don't comb or brush our hair every day. So it is very easy for things like lint and product to get built up in our locks. And it's our job, having dreadlocks, to detox properly and shampoo and condition our hair properly and not overuse product. So this is the finished product of my client's hair. He was very, very happy. If you cannot tell, he is having a good time because I was able to restore his crown. And as I mentioned before, Let's try to not judge people based on the condition of their hair. Oftentimes we go through things in life that people just don't understand, but we're able to overcome and get back to our regular lives, and this is the outcome. Unfortunately, I ran into a few technical difficulties recording, so I wasn't able to record myself reattaching his locks, but I will put a link at the end of the video on how to properly do that. So this is the finished product, and he is extremely happy. If you like what you saw today, please like, click, and subscribe.